This is my messy garage. This is going to be my tool walk through. Up here, we have Scooby-Doo. You know, picks, screwdrivers, chargers. That's a killer flashlight. You know, laptop or whatever they call that. Anyway, just a half-inch Mac, which is made by DeWalt, and quarter-inch, another quarter-inch Milwaukee, and a hammer drill. Let's see. Everything's Craftsman. There's a couple of like Snap-on stuff, but Kita. Anyway, just let you take that in. Yes, Irish Spring. These are my plus my pliers drawer. Full Irwin set. Lots of stuff like that. Gotta have those, and just got these. Gotta have those and those. It's all pretty good. There's some good stuff right back down here. Yep, it's this drawer is screwdrivers, mainly Craftsman, some Husky, some off-brand. We got the Snap-on stuff over here, gear wrench, Mac, yeah, precision screwdrivers. Over here, miscellaneous drawer, miniatures, W2, Snap-on, not opened yet. That's a tamper-proof. Here's my wrenches. Mostly like the gear wrench. These are some gear wrench and some Craftsman in here. Gear wrenches. Tube wrenches. And then I have my just standard T handled. Yeah, anyway, that's that. And here's a metric. It's a Mac, actually. Got it from Mac. Lifetime warranty. Yeah, it was my map guess. And like I said, gear wrenches and some Craftsman. And a lot of double-ended and long, and then, you know, the standard set of T-handle Allens. Got about a knife in each drawer just in case. Let's see. Put this light in. You see Sound Lab, old school sound waves, JNS, Ultimate Alts, Ain't Loud, SMD, EB Drive, Rockford Fosgate, and you know, a little bit here, a little bit there. ratchets and my extensions. Those aren't the best, but they're nice for getting underneath doing bell housings. That 1-24 is nice too. Like them. Then I got some locking 1/4-inch drive. Got a normal set of Torx, and I got the swivel, Allen wrench set, long 3/8 drive. I mean, I have so many different, so I just stuck them all together. Some Snap-on, mostly Craftsman. Nice Impact Mac. 3/4 and a half, 3/4. Yeah, stud pullers and stuff like that. Miscellaneous. Torx set. And this has everything on it too. Lots of extensions. I just got this. This is sweet. It's a Carlisle. It's 72 teeth or something like that. It's pretty nice. Really like it. Can't wait to use it. We got some other long-handled stuff in there. Some old Craftsman, some new Craftsman. Brand new Craftsman. Got a whole bunch of those wrenches. I found a whole bunch of them broke at a garage sale, and they just were giving them away. So I took them into Craftsman, and they sent me new stuff. So yeah, that's it. There's angle grinder, die grinder. This is actually a Blue Point. So Blue Point. Anyway, I've seen some fun car steering installation installs. My air hammer, long through air hammer. Some vapor. 1/4-inch ratchet, 3/8 ratchet. Got cut-off wheels and grinding wheels and 1XL, and I got a Husky. I just realized they had this. It's like an air aluminum cutter for thin aluminum. It's like a, yeah, anyway, that's what it is. There's all my drills. There's my Craig bit set. Got lots of vary bits and tapered bits or step drills or whatever you want to call them. These are 1/4-inch. There's a whole mess of double-ended, double box-ended. There's those are rivet, or not rivet, they're zip tie guns. Just sort of aluminum or sheet metal tools for doing like sheet metal work, that type of thing. Anyway. Your snap ring pliers, your steering wheel puller, or that's something else actually. I got a steering wheel puller though. More snap ring pliers, little 1/4-inch drive, short set, hammers, brush, and chisels, pry bars. Big pry bar set back here. It's like Harbor Freight set. Go do this now. Put this snap-on driver set. Got this gear wrench screwdriver set. I got all these other hatchets. I got these nut drivers. There's the steering wheel puller. And I got another one. Anyway, this is so full. I got some brand new screwdrivers. I don't know. Got those from Napa. Home Depot. There's my Save My Butt kit. There's some, you put the bolt through it. You don't need a deep socket. I forget what they call them, but I don't use them much. That's why it's down here. Just random stuff. Tire plugs. Super glue makes the glue dry faster. That's about it. Cutters, miniature fuses, cutters, tubing cutters, 4 tubing cutters, tubing, flaring set. This is a gas, fuel, quick connect. We're doing fuel in cars and things like that. Here's a compression tester, cutters. There's a fuel pressure tester with all of those. Brandon never used it. Got that from Napa as well. Here's all my Allen wrenches. I like these T-handled set right here if I'm going to use something. And just random. If somebody wants to borrow one, I loan them something like that or something like that, And just a bit drawer. Expensive plier or expensive anyway, yeah. So that pretty much concludes the tour of my toolbox. So that's what you get. Alright, you guys. DCSoundLab.com. You need good stereo equipment, go there. Peace.